Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making these delicious Victoria sponge tray bake. We're going to start off with 200 grams of softened butter and 200 grams of caster sugar. We need to beat the sugar and the butter together for about 2 minutes. Now we're going to add 3 large eggs. I've cracked the eggs together in a small bowl and have given them a good beating. I'm adding the eggs in bit by bit, just so that it's easier to combine. If you're using smaller eggs, you should use 4 eggs. To that, we are adding 200 grams of plain flour. Victoria sponges are so easy to make. It requires minimum effort, but it's so delicious. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of milk. One last whisk. And now it's ready to be transferred to an oven dish. I'm going to pop it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until it's gone golden brown. You can also check it with a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, you know it's done. To make the whipped cream, we're adding 130 grams of double cream and 65 grams of icing sugar. We need to beat this together for about 6 to 7 minutes. Okay, so now the cake's done and I've taken it out of the oven. I've let it cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes and now I'm taking it out of the oven dish. I've let it cool down for about a further 30 minutes before I cut the cake. So now we need to cut the cake in half. You can use a serrated knife for this, but I'm using my fancy tool again. Now I've placed it on a chopping board and I'm going to cut a third off. I'm going to put the whipped cream on one side and the jam on the other side. Traditionally in a Victoria sponge you would use strawberries and strawberry jam, but I prefer raspberries, so I'm going to use raspberry jam and raspberries. So it got a little bit messy because of the whipped cream, but if you look to the left of the screen you will see a slightly easier and less messier way to do this. Now I'm just setting it up to take a nice picture, dusting it with some icing sugar, and they are done. How gorgeous do they look? They're great for parties or special occasions. Thanks for watching, guys.